Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I, for one, did. I guess I did. I'm here today on April 6th. Want to tell you what's going on this week in science class. We do have activities scheduled for today and again on Friday. And Wednesday, I'll kind of check in, make sure there's no questions, and make sure we're doing okay. Maybe you can see, maybe you cannot. Darius misses you guys all. So do I. I wish we could be in class together, but we can't. But for what we're going to work on today, a little continuation of the project we started last week with an element. At some point, this picture may load for you to see. Kind of what my front yard looked like this morning. It was kind of foggy and almost a full moon. Looked pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to continue working on your project today. Make sure you look for any comments. If you submitted already, I've added some comments to some of them that were missing some things, so you want to look at that. One of the things you definitely want to start working on today is your advertisement. There's a link here to the assignment. You are going to create a Google slide. On that slide, you're going to put your element. You're going to make sure you're going back to the rubric and getting all the required materials. 2 images, the chemical name, chemical symbol, things of that nature. And your element is going to kind of match how this is set up here. If your element is, let's say, atomic number of 25, notice how the color here is a shade of purple. It means your background should be that shade of purple as well. The example I give is here on 118. Notice it was white there. Down here, the background is white. You may need to adjust text coloring you have there so it's readable. And we'll add all of your examples to this as well. Hopefully we'll have most of the periodic table filled out. I've also created a document here, a class document here that you can follow. It does bring you to this right here. If you start a question thread, please format like the example I've given you below here. You write your first name, last initial, write your question down. I'll come in, checking it all day. I'll put my answer something like this. If you would please not alter anything. Like if you ask a question, I answer it. Leave it up there in case the next student who accesses this drive has the same question. They can see yours, and they don't have to ask me. Hopefully, we'll be able to keep this pretty up to date. I'll be checking it most of the day, keeping it up to date. If there is any questions that you don't want to put on this, you want to send an email, that's fine as well. I'll be checking it too. I just figured this way I could kind of cut down a lot of the questions I get asked over and over and over again. All right, well, have a great day. We'll talk to you later.